So, fatigue expression. So, ito yung bagong term na natutunan natin, yung hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good day, goodbye, nice meeting you, mga ganyan. Ang general term pala ron is fatigue expressions. So, yun pala yung tawag do sa word na yun, yung general term. Ang tawag doon, fatigue expressions. It is words used to maintain or maintain or ang ibig sabihin ng maintain yung maintain or mapanatili. Okay, mapanatili yung social relationship. Kumbaga, yun, it's merely social. Yung social, yung alangan mo makikipag-usap ka, hindi mo babatiin, di ba? O yung ganyan. So, may bisita, hindi ka man lang mag-good morning. So, social status. To maintain social relationship rather than to convey information. Yun yung sabi ng Google. So, I don't remember na napag-aralan ko to in my English classes, but it's nice to know na fatigue expressions pala ang tawag sa kanya. Fatigue, P-H-A-T-I-C. So, yun lang po.